The 10-point Titan M1 hunting crossbow is a jack of all trades, blending speed, power, and accuracy in a compact design. With a width of just 9 inches, it's incredibly portable, making it ideal for bow hunting in tight quarters or for those who prefer a more compact setup. The Titan M1 boasts an impressive arrow speed of up to 370 feet per second, ensuring a swift and lethal shot. Its powerful performance is complemented by its accuracy thanks to features like the VX5 reverse cams and the 3X ProView 3 scope. For added safety, the crossbow is equipped with an auto-engaging safety system, preventing accidental discharges. Despite its power and features, the Titan M1 remains relatively lightweight at 6.4 pounds and has a manageable length of 32.5 inches, making it easy to handle and transport. With a price tag of around $800, the 10-point Titan M1 offers a compelling blend of performance, features, and portability for serious bow hunters. The Titan Spin fidget spinner combines the fun of a fidget toy with the practicality of a multi-tool, making it a true survival essential. Dubbed the Daily Dynamo, Outdoor Odyssey, Angler's Ally, Tech Titan, and Survival Specialist, this compact device packs a punch with tools tailored for a variety of daily and outdoor challenges. Now, here's the kicker: 80+ tools in 5 cards. Yes, you heard that right. Each card is precision engineered through CNC machining, ensuring unmatched accuracy and complexity that sets them apart from standard stamped tool cards. A sharp stainless steel pocket knife folds seamlessly into the body, designed to open packages, cut rope, or tackle any cutting needs you might encounter on the go. Its quick access design makes it ideal for both routine and emergency use. Always handy, the bottle opener is built to tackle various bottle types. With multiple sizes, the spoke wrenches are a lifesaver for cyclists, allowing you to adjust spokes on your bike wheels and keep your ride smooth. This heavy-duty serrated blade is designed for tougher jobs, such as cutting through hard materials or sawing through small branches. Equipped with a sharpener slot, the Titan Spin ensures that your blades are always at peak performance. Each component is compact and seamlessly integrated, with a rotating spinner mechanism that makes it easy to use and fun to handle. At the heart of the Titan Spin is its fidget spinner feature, a great way to relieve stress, improve focus, and keep your hands occupied. The United Cutlery M48 double-bladed tactical tomahawk is a formidable addition to the legendary M48 lineup, known for its rugged reliability and fierce designs. This new model takes versatility to the next level with its dual 5.5-inch sharpened blades, giving you twice the cutting power in one compact tool. Crafted from 2CR13 stainless steel, the thick, heavy head of the tomahawk is built to handle hard use, whether you're chopping wood, slashing through tough materials, or even practicing your throwing skills. The blades are treated with a black oxide coating, adding both a tactical edge to the tomahawk's appearance and an extra layer of corrosion resistance, making it ideal for rough environments. The handle is made from nylon and fiberglass reinforced material, making it nearly indestructible and capable of withstanding the rigors of heavy-duty tasks without compromising on comfort or grip. For those who need to carry their tomahawk on the go, the reinforced M48 nylon blade sheath is designed to attach easily to your belt, ensuring that this powerful tool is always within reach while staying secure and safe. The Danforce rechargeable LED tactical flashlight is a versatile and powerful lighting solution designed for various outdoor activities and emergency situations. Its modular design allows for customization, enabling users to adapt the flashlight to specific lighting needs. A standout feature is its ability to function as a compact device charger, allowing you to charge your smartphone while outdoors. The flashlight offers a wide range of light intensity settings, adjustable from SOS 750 to 1080 lumens, ensuring optimal brightness for any situation. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade aluminum with an anti-scratch coating, this flashlight is built to withstand tough conditions. Additional features include a window breaker, a power bank function, green and red filters for specialized lighting, lantern attachments for broader illumination, a compass cap attachment for navigation, rechargeable batteries, and an emergency lighting kit. Powered by a high-quality Cree LED chip, this flashlight delivers exceptional brightness and efficiency. With its comprehensive range of features and robust construction, the Danforce rechargeable LED tactical flashlight is the ultimate all-in-one lighting solution. The Mira Safety CM8M full-face respirator is a high-performance respiratory protection device designed for demanding environments. Its contoured panoramic visor offers an exceptional field of view of 92.5%, ensuring optimal visibility and situational awareness. This visor is compatible with various optical devices, including night vision devices, thermal optics, scopes, and red dot sights, making it suitable for tactical and law enforcement applications. The respirator utilizes up to 2 standard 40mm NATO filter cartridges, offering interchangeability with widely available filter options. The 6-point head harness ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Additionally, the CM8M is compatible with the MB90 PAPR system, allowing for enhanced respiratory protection in hazardous environments. Optimized for firearm use and featuring an integrated hydration valve, this respirator offers a comprehensive solution for professionals who require both protection and performance. The Novoto magnetic backpack cooler is a versatile and convenient solution for keeping your food and drinks cold on the go. Its backpack design and magnetic lid offer effortless carrying and one-handed operation, making it ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and beach trips. The cooler's 48-hour cold retention technology, powered by 2-inch TPU thermal foam and a rapid closure lid, ensures that your items stay chilled for extended periods. Crafted from durable, water-resistant materials, the cooler is easy to clean and resistant to sand and dirt. The magnetic lid and dual buckles guarantee a leak-proof seal, preventing spills and keeping your belongings dry. The hands-free design, with a chest strap and waist belt, provides added stability and comfort during transportation. Additionally, the included storage bag and side pockets offer ample space for storing accessories and personal items. The Rexbetty folding saw is a versatile tool that combines power, precision, and portability, making it an essential addition to any outdoor toolkit. Featuring an 11-inch extra-long blade, this saw is built to handle everything from survival tasks and bushcraft adventures to routine yard maintenance. Crafted from durable SK5 steel, the blade offers exceptional toughness and long-lasting sharpness, making it ideal for cutting through thick branches, small logs, or dense shrubs with ease. The aggressive triple-cut teeth design ensures that each stroke delivers a clean, smooth, and efficient cut, minimizing effort and maximizing productivity, even in challenging conditions. The comfortable and longer rubber-coated polymer handle offers a firm grip, even in wet conditions, enhancing safety and control. The folding design, combined with a safety metal lock, ensures secure storage and transportation. With its durable construction and practical features, the Rexbetty folding saw is an essential tool for campers, hikers, and anyone who needs a reliable and efficient saw for outdoor adventures or home improvement projects. And there you have it, 7 of the coolest survival gadgets you can grab on Amazon today. Let us know in the comments which gadget is your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more awesome gear reviews.